a keyboard shortcut that will save you a lot of time working in Google Sheets. I've opened up a sheet here of random stuff, and I'm right here at the first of the list. I need to add something to the bottom of the list. And every time I need to do that, I can scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll until I find the bottom of the list. And I would have to do that each time I came back and wanted to add a new entry at the bottom. Or while I'm clicked right here, I can just hit Command down arrow, and it will jump me to the last entry in my spreadsheet. If it's a wide sheet where I have to scroll over to the side a lot, Command and right arrow will do the same. Command left arrow brings me back. Command up arrow takes me back to the top of my spreadsheet. Now, the only caveat, if someone has come along and put in a blank row, when you try to jump down the list, it won't skip that blank. It will stop. But if your information has been organized correctly, contiguous rows all the way through, Command and the arrow keys will get you where you need to go.